The suspension bridge, completed in 1877, still stands as a historical marvel of Punalur. Now, Suhail Qureshi, the young architect, is also making a mark in the history of Punalur by presenting huge portraits of the legends in the field of medicine to the most iconic Taluk hospital. He has painted hyper-realistic portraits of 7 pioneers of medical science and installed in the entrance wall of the 10-story building. The pioneers Suhail chose to paint are Alexander Fleming, who discovered penicillin; Edward Jenner, who invented smallpox vaccine; Christian Bernard, who performed the first human-to-human heart transplant; Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalytic psychology; French virologist François Barré-Sinozi, who discovered the HIV virus; the American researcher Thomas Earl Stiles, who successfully performed the first liver transplant; and Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Now, let us watch the much awaited interview of the young architect Suhail Qureshi. Good evening, all. Commitment, hard work, dedication, and patience leads to perfection. Legends like Da Vinci, Ravi Verma, Picasso, and Monet are long gone, but they remain evergreen in our memory through their mesmerizing creations. That's the power of art, and it is the same power that brings us to the land of Suspension Bridge, Punalur, where we have to meet the young artist who created a series of paintings as a tribute to 7 pioneers of health care. This was done for the new Taluk Hospital, Punalur, which is a pride of all Punalurians. The huge art project was completed in just 10 days. It's my great pleasure to introduce you to the young talented artist, architect Suhail Qureshi. Suhail, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Hi Suhail. Shall we start?
Sure.
Okay. Our viewers are really interested to know about you, Suhail. So, tell us about yourself. Actually, who are you really?
Well, I'm an architect basically. I did my bachelor's from College of Architecture, Trivandrum, and I did my master's from Auckland University, New Zealand. So, art has always been my passion, and I have been doing it parallelly, art and architecture. So, you can call me architect / artist if you like.
Okay, Suhail. We would like to know the ups and downs of your career. I mean, how you have got interested in this mesmerizing art and who is your role model, etc. Please.
Well, I started sketching from childhood, but I did my first portrait drawing in 6th or 7th grade, I guess. I did Mohanlal's face for the first time, and it came out well. That's when I realized I had this interest in passion in portrait painting. Then till my 3rd year of college, I continued sketching using pencils, black and white sketches, and from there, from the 3rd year of my college, I started exploring different mediums like oil pastels, color pencils, acrylic paint, oil paint and stuff. Then I had done a couple of stage shows live. That was a good experience for me.
Who is your role model?
Well, I have a couple of role models. One is Andrew Salgado. He's a Canadian artist. I love him because he plays around with different mediums. He crazily uses mediums, and I got really inspired from him, and I did a portrait of Dulquer Salmaan when I was in college, and I used different mediums. Like I used enamel paint for the face, I used permanent markers for the hair and beard, mustache and all, and I used oil pastel for his shirt, and it was like crazy mix of mediums. And Dulquer shared that in the Facebook page actually. So that that's something which I did from the inspiration of Andrew Salgado. Another artist would be Pascal Campion. He's actually a storyteller using sketches, and I really love him, his expressions and the emotions.
So Dulquer shared your portrait. Very great. Okay, then what's your ideology about portrait painting?
Well, according to me, a portrait painting is a celebration of a face. It's all about appreciating that the texture, that expression, that features of a face. And I believe a portrait should communicate with the audience.
Okay, have you done any live sketches?
Yeah, I've done a couple of live sketches. When I was in New Zealand during student period, this was my part-time job. I chose this as my part-time job and for my living expense. So I used to go to public square as a hobby and I sketch random people live and meet them. That was a great experience for me.
So how did this amazing project in Taluk Hospital, Punalur happen?
Actually, I have a YouTube channel in which I share my works, the time-lapse videos of the processes and stuff. Shahir Shah Doctor, the nodal officer of Taluk Hospital, happened to see that channel. That's how I got the call, and he asked me what I can do for the hospital. He had this amazing wall right in the entrance of the hospital, which was empty, and he really wanted to do something great in that wall. And after that discussion, we end up with this idea, and that's how it happened.
Okay, you have YouTube channel. Tell more about it.
Yeah, I have a YouTube channel and I use it for sharing my ideas and the experiences I find I had when I do portrait stuff. And it's kind of a tutorial channel as well as it's just a sharing platform for my works. So yeah, my YouTube channel name is Architect Suhail Qureshi and it's a pure art page.
Okay, that's nice, Suhail. Then what is the whole concept of the project?
Alright, talking about Taluk Hospital project, it is equally an art wall as well as an information wall. It is right in the entrance of Taluk Hospital, and I have to explain about Taluk Hospital. It's the most prestigious project of every Punalurian. So I had to do something really meaningful in the entrance wall. So the wall is like a tribute to the 7 pioneers of medicine who created the most important findings, contributions to the medical field which saved millions of lives. Along with this information side, I really wanted to do something extra in the art side. So what I did is, when I selected the 7 references, I had one more criteria. I was focusing on the characteristics of each of the faces. So the 7 references had 7 different expressions. For example,
Very difficult task.
yeah, it was kind of difficult. I just worked on it a little bit. And for example, the first guy, Sigmund Freud, he is the father of psychiatry, and his eyes has this hypnotic power. It's very intense and powerful. So I tried to convey that power into the painting. And on the other side, Florence Nightingale, she had very calm, peaceful, serene kind of eyes, and that's also conveyed in the painting, I hope. And yeah, like that, Alexander Fleming had this scary look, and Christian Bernard had this flamboyant kind of charm look, and yeah, like that. So that is one speciality of this painting. And yeah, this is also an information wall I have created. I have written the details of their contributions, their achievements under the portrait, and I have given a single name as a name board for this complete series of painting, and it's Pioneers of Medicine. So that's all about the project.
Mr. Qureshi, from where you have got the motivation to start this work?
Punalur Taluk Hospital is such a prestigious project in Punalur, and it's a pride for all of us. And when I heard the news of this project, I really wanted to do something for this hospital as an architect or as an artist. And when Shahir Shah Doctor called me and introduced to this project, I was really happy and really wanted to do something. Moreover, when I saw the wall, I was really excited because it's something great for an artist. It resembled a proper art gallery wall, and it was amazing. So that space was my motivation, I guess, most importantly. So yeah, I was really excited, and I was on immediately. Yeah.
Okay, great, Suhail. What medium did you use for this project?
Well, I normally use mixed medium like acrylic paint, oil pastels, oil paint, color pencils, graphite and stuff. But for this project I had used acrylic paint. One interesting fact is that I have used only primary colors for the whole project. which are red, yellow, and blue. Even the skin tones are created only using these three colors. Yeah, I found it interesting.
Okay, could you show that for us?
Yeah, sure. I had carried a small canvas with me.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you like to see it, I can definitely show.
Need any help?
So yeah, you can hold these. So this is blue, and
Then next.
yeah, next is red. You can use any of the red, any of the blue, doesn't matter.
In orange.
Yeah, this is yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah,
Okay,
kind of deep yellow.
Okay.
So these are the three primary colors. So you basically mix it to get the darkest complexion of
Red, blue, and yellow.
blue and yellow. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't use a lot of blue, but so fast forward into it. So this is the darkest complexion of skin tone you get in Indian context. From here, you just need white to lighten it up.
White.
White, yeah. It depends on how much white you use. So we can create different shades quickly, and I'll show you the shades of skin tones. So this is lighter skin tone, and again lighter, again the very light complexion. So that's how you create the shades of skin tones. So it's a quick example. You can make it yellowish skin tone using more yellow, pinkish skin tones using more pink, more red. So that's how you create it.
Okay, amazing.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Suhail just showed the magic of color mixing for us. Wonderful, Suhail.
Thank you.
Okay, then please explain the challenges, difficulties, troubles that you have faced during this project.
Yeah, seriously, I had a major challenge, which was choosing the reference pictures, because most of the pioneers I referenced lived in 18th and 19th century, and we barely had a good picture of them to recreate the painting. So we had to choose like very small, low resolution black and white pictures to create such huge paintings. So that was a major challenge. Other than that, fixing it in the right position where maximum view is attained, that was another challenge. So yeah, these were the challenges.
Anyway, Suhail, the result is very wonderful despite the challenges.
Thank you.
Then how much the architect in you helped you to completely successful this enchanting project?
All right, actually the architect in me really helped, because during my architecture course, the major talent skill I developed is the scale sense and the proportion sense. So scaling up a small reference image to such a huge image, my sense of scale really helped. And more than that, while placing the whole series of paintings in that wall, I could place it in the most aesthetical way, which brings the best views from each of the points in the reception. So yeah, these are the areas where my architecture talents help me.
Can you please explain about your architecture career?
Yeah, sure. Like I said, I did my B.Arch from Trivandrum, and I did my master's from Auckland.
In which year, Trivandrum?
I passed out in 2018, and from Auckland I passed out in 2020. Then I was working in Auckland for 1 year under renowned architect Nick Gates and Dave Firth for 1 year. Then I came back, I winded up and came back and started my own firm in my hometown. That was my dream actually. And the name of the firm is Suhail Qureshi Architects. It's in Punalur. So yeah, right now I have a couple of projects in Punalur itself and a couple of projects in Trivandrum. So yeah, that's about my architecture career. And actually, remembering your last question, the artist in me is really helping me in my architecture profession, and the architect is really helping me in my artist profession. When I create spaces, I really think it artistically, and I really want my spaces to be experientially good. So I focus on experiential quality when I create spaces as an architect. So yeah, it's all connected. I'm passionate in both. So yeah, it's all going side by side by God's grace. Yeah,
Okay, you are an all-rounder. All right.
kind of.
Anyway, what kind of response did you receive from the Punalur Taluk Hospital project?
It was really overwhelming for me, and I never expected such a great response. I did it unconditionally, seriously. I really wanted to do something for the hospital, and I did it. And once it was installed, most of the medias, satellite medias and newspapers and online media articles, everything covered my project, and I got really good coverage, and it was a bonus for me. And a lot of people in Punalur personally call me and message me about this project, and yeah, I guess everyone got to know about this project right now. So it really helped me as an architect, and I think I was really lucky enough to get such a great response, and it's an inspiration to do more, and I'm really dreaming to do something great in the future. So let's see.
Beside this great project, what are your other most important works?
Well, as an artist, I got opportunity to sketch the portraits of a lot of celebrities and gift it to them in person, which got me good coverage and support. When I was in college, the management used to call me to sketch the portraits of the chief guests who used to come to our college, and most of them were celebrities, and I am the one who used to give the mementos, and all the mementos were portrait paintings. So the celebrities like N. Srinivasan, the former BCCI president, N.K. Premachandran MP, Fahad Fasil, Dulquer, Shyama Prasad, yeah, Mohanlal, and a lot of other celebrities. I painted their portraits and gave it to them directly, and some of them shared in the FB page. So that was really nice experience. And yeah, like I said, I've done a few live shows on stage, like in 10-15 minutes. I did huge portraits, and that was another experience. Yeah, and this one is the latest project.
Okay, now are you preparing for any other special artistic creations like this?
Currently, I have a couple of architecture projects, so I might take a small break from art, but I have some big dreams in my mind to do in the near future. So I'm preparing for that too. Yeah.
Till now, we talked about your art and architecture. Then, please tell us about your family.
All right, mashallah, I have a wonderful family. Everyone is of great support, and they are continuously encouraging me. My father, M. Qureshi, he really helped me throughout the project, and even for fixing everything and continuously giving ideas for every aspect. He was with me. And my mother, she supports me in whatever I do. She's a great support. And my wife, she's wonderful. She was throughout with me, helping me. She's actually my art assistant. And my sister and brother-in-law, they are like my best friends. They are ready with any help at any time. And my sister's kids, my nephew is actually following me right now, so he tries sketching Mohanlal every day just because I did Mohanlal for the first time. So yeah, he is continuously following me. So that's my family.
Anyway, you are getting great support from family side, Suhail. All right. Then last, would you like to offer any advice to the amateurs of this field? Many are eagerly watching this interview, and they requested me to ask this question.
Even I am an amateur and I'm not a professional to give advice, but if you ask, I would say don't stick to rules while you create an artwork. Choose the reference you like, choose the medium you want to use, choose the style you like to follow. So rule is not an important thing in art. So just follow what you really think is right, and you can create your own art, and it's special and it's personal. So rules doesn't matter. That's what I like to give as an advice. But yeah, I'm just reminding you, I'm not a professional, so you can follow if you like.
Okay, Suhail, anything finally you have to share with our viewers?
Yes, Arun, yes. I want to thank them for this wonderful response for my painting, and I have one request. If you can, if you have time, please go to Taluk Hospital and experience that series of paintings in person, in real, because you don't get that full quality in pictures. So if you can go there and experience that and then come into me, it would be great. It would be so kind. Yeah, that's one request. And one more thing, Arun, you have been amazing, seriously.
Okay.
You did a great job, and I loved the interview. I had a great time.
As Suhail requested, dear viewers, please visit Punalur Taluk Hospital directly and experience the artwork. Okay, Suhail, thank you very much. That was really inspirational. Anyway, all the best for your future project. Keep making us proud. Congratulations and all the best. God
Thanks a
bless you.
lot. Thank you. Thank you. My pleasure. My pleasure. Thanks a lot.
Okay, thank you once again.
Thank you.
Suhail Qureshi is the son of prominent businessman of Punalur, M. Qureshi and Sabida Qureshi.
Suhail showed great interest and talent from childhood. We always give maximum support for his artworks. We are really proud of him.
A master degree holder from Auckland University, Suhail is proud to have showcased his innate talent in painting to the most iconic hospital in his hometown without any reward. Suhail Qureshi is also the grandson of late P.K. Muhammad Kunyu Master, the first municipal chairman of Punalur. Suhail says he is inspired by the amazing support and encouragement of his wife Tahzeen, his parents, his sister Karishma and brother-in-law Jamish.